Portable speaker, the PJ9B. This is a wireless Bluetooth speaker. Goes for about, I got this for 200 bucks. I think it retails for 300 though. But I got this from Amazon for 200, and it's a unique one because it can levitate. So you got levitation, wireless charging, subwoofer, 360-degree sound, IPX7, which I'm a little bit surprised by, but that's cool. And it's just some design thing. Yeah, you guys know I like speakers, I like headphones, I like audio stuff. So I thought this would be cool to add for my collection. And it's another 360-degree speaker. It's probably my second one after the Bose Soundlink Revolve. And we'll see how it compares with the Bose Soundlink Revolve actually. I don't think it's going to sound as good, since levitating speakers usually don't sound as good, but we'll see. Oh, and this thing's heavier than I expected, by the way, this box. Alright, so this is the Bluetooth speaker itself. It's pretty small and portable. Yeah, so you got just the power on. Okay, and touch controls, I guess. This battery level. We get this is adding for another one. You can do stereo, I guess. You can do plus minus volume. You can go plays, pause the track. This is the power and Bluetooth. Okay, and this, I wonder if they're both waterproof. They're both waterproof, or is it just, or water resistant, IPX7? Is it just this one that's IPX7, or is the subwoofer IPX7 too, I wonder? Interesting. Okay, this must be the magnet. Alright, this subwoofer, pretty hefty. This is the hefty part. Okay, it's turbine design. It's got a, well, subwoofers are usually, you know, in most speakers, I would say the subwoofer is heavier than the actual speakers themselves, because they got to push a lot of bass, and it's cool to include this one. All right, and this is where it levitates, I guess. Let's see, press this button. That's what it does. And all right, I'll open this up, and we got a cable, AC cable. This is the AC adapter for the subwoofer. That's really it. I mean, I think you can charge. Does this have an aux? Oh yeah, okay, sorry. I thought this was a power button. Nope, it's a flap. You open up the flap, and inside you can see there is aux, and you can charge with a micro USB if you want, although I don't know why anyone would do that when you have a wireless subwoofer that also charges it. But it's possible in the aux. I don't know why anyone would use aux on this thing too, because it's a little bit cumbersome. But yeah, this is the seal that makes it waterproof, or water resistant, I guess. Alright, and that's it. Just the AC adapter cables in the box and the manuals. That's really it. Alright, I'm going to set up the speaker, and then I'm going to compare it to my Bose Soundlink Revolve, which is my other 360-degree speaker, and see how they compare. Oh, also on the back of the subwoofer, you can charge your phone. Only outputs 0.5 amps, but it's still an option. Charge your phone. This is for the reset button and the DC in, and that's all the inputs on the subwoofer. Alright, so now I've had the LG speaker set up right here with the subwoofer and the Bose Soundlink Revolve, and I'm going to play the same music track. I have some chill hop beats right here, and I'm going to play them at the same spot in the track so you guys can get a good comparison. Well, first of all, we're going to turn this on, and it makes a cool startup noise. Kind of like a spaceship lifting off, and it makes that noise when you start up the subwoofer, which is pretty cool, and it slowly levitates off the ground. And yeah, we're going to play that.
I appreciate the sentiment, but I'm afraid it's nothing more than a daydream.
So you can hear the deep bass coming from the subwoofer. By itself, the speaker isn't that impressive, but when you add the subwoofer onto it, it's pretty good, I think. So that's right. Now it's the Bose Soundlink Revolve's turn. It's going to start up the track, pretty much the same point.
I'm afraid it's nothing more than a daydream.
As you can hear, it produces really impressive bass for the size.
I hope that the rain,
considering that it doesn't even have a subwoofer.
Daydream. I see. So as soon as it stops raining,
All right, yeah, so you guys decide which one's better. Play both the same tracks, and one of them has a big ass subwoofer, but I actually think the Bose does hold its own. It's really impressive given the small size, and the fact that it doesn't have a subwoofer is really impressive. Both 360-degree speakers too. Let me know what you guys think. All right, just for fun, I've set up my Sony Smart Bluetooth speaker. It's dancing right now, right beside the LG levitating speaker, so it's pretty fun. You got a levitating speaker right there, and one that's just having some fun, I guess. Yeah, shake that ass, baby. LG's just like chilling out there. Yeah, LG's just like chilling. And Sony's like shaking his ass. Working. Okay, I'm just having some fun.